Amanda Gorman is an American poet and activist from Los Angeles, California. Gorman's work focuses on issues of oppression, feminism, race, and marginalization, as well as the African diaspora. Gorman is the first person to be named National Youth Poet Laureate. She published a poetry book, The One for Whom Food Is Not Enough, in 2015. Gorman is a Los Angeles native who was raised by her mother, a teacher named Joan Wicks, with her two siblings. She has a twin sister, Gabrielle, who is an activist. Gorman has said she grew up in an environment with limited television access. She had a speech impediment as a child. She has described her young self as a weird child who enjoyed reading and writing and was encouraged by her mother. Gorman has said she has an auditory processing disorder and is hypersensitive to sound. Gorman attended New Roads, a private school in Santa Monica, for grades K-12 and studied sociology at Harvard College. While at Harvard, she became the first person to be named National Youth Poet Laureate in April 2017. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.